Where's my undercover mission? That's what I need right now. That's what this build needs. Just bail me out of my own stupidity. Hello everyone, Meisterang here. We're playing Shotgun King Extra again. And we're gonna try out the wand. It gives us, its shots have to be manually recharged, which is kind of a problem. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna play it on baby mode. Yeah, shots must be randomly manually recharged. I get a random wand effect. And we get one blade. Okay, sure. Alright, we've already seen that intro. Alright, Wand of Gusts. Okay, sure. I'm just gonna reload and place a whole bunch. Because it's like kind of fun doing that when you have overfeeding. It's like, look, I can just fire a whole bunch of times in a row. My wand is flashing. Alright, 15 damage to random enemies. It's cool that I see what it is before I pick the next card, even though it doesn't really matter. Oh, one other thing I did was I altered the mod a little bit to make it so that I was guaranteed to get the Black Bishop boss fight even without Red Book. Anyway, yeah, these all just give accuracy. Scouting, Pikemen, or Ruins. I think, well, I like extra turns when I kill a Rook, and also Ruins is pretty benign. Oh, I guess I have to play the game now. All right. That was not the 15 damage that was advertised. All right, it's fine. I don't need the improved accuracy. I already have very, very good accuracy. Subtle Poison. Queen -2 health, Queen +2 health. Yeah, sure. Moat is also just really good, but I didn't want it. No, I don't need to shoot those mons. What am I doing? I don't even need to shoot the Rook. Mouse the Rat King. Oh yeah. Okay, Corner Despot. Corner Despot and Big Game Hunter are good, but you know, I gotta take Mouse the Rat King. What is this? Wand of Gust. Okay, cool. The pawn's about to promote. I can just say, nah. You're not promoting for another 5 turns. You know what I'm gonna do? Well, let's... Yeah, we need a Queen Soul. I mean, do we need one? No, but we sure want one. I sure want one anyway. Okay, cool. Ooh. New art. Okay, Poison the Well. You know, Queens will be poisoned for 25 turns if I take this. So they're just pretty much, they're just kings at this point. Yeah, add a bishop. So the +20 fire arc isn't a big deal because our fire range is so short that we wouldn't be able to take advantage of this 10-degree fire arc very well. And we just have to kill one bishop to negate most of the downside of this card. Okay. +1 fire range until I kill a bishop. Like, that's pretty nice. Or I could just take +2 fire range. I don't like Judgment Day either. Although adding a whole bunch of knights, maybe that's good because of Courteous Jousting. Or maybe it's fine because of Courteous Jousting. No, I need +2 fire range. So yeah, we add another queen, but because queens are poisoned, you know, it's fine. And they get less speed. Okay, cool. Okay, I just had to mouse over the card again to get it to stop flashing. Let's move up. Oh, well this is guaranteed because we have good accuracy. Yeah, we actually have good range now. I'm so happy. This shotgun has two different downsides, where you have to manually reload and your range is kind of garbo. Okay, add a whole bunch of pieces, but they're slower. Unfaithful Steed, but Trowel, I don't like Trowel. I don't really like Saboteur either, it's just kind of annoying. Guess we're taking cannon fodder then. Okay, so we get an extra turn every time we fatally shoot a knight. Alright, I guess I gotta regenerate and move out of the way to do that. Let's move to a light square so the bishop isn't a threat. Oh, both those rooks have 1 health. Okay. Oh yeah, let's get the bishop to move out of the way. Yeah. No protecting the king allowed. Legion of Rats. Legion of Mouse. Wow, that seems really good. Every 9 turns, you get 1 extra Ravenous Rat. Well, I guess depending on how quickly you finish the round, it's like not amazing, but it seems like it'll be really good. Alright, I wanna try to get value out of all 3 of the extra turns that I can get from shooting knights. Oh, we got the Wand of Hypnosis again. Okay, I guess considering how quickly I finish rounds, the Legion of Rats is not actually doing a lot of work, but that's okay. They're doing a lot of work in my heart. You know, I like rats. Except when they're like in my apartment. Ooh. Alright, yeah, let's just full rats, let's go. Well, let's just take a look at the other things. Beast Tamer, and I don't really think knights being unable to attack me on turn 10 is very valuable. I don't like this plus 10 degree fire arc. It's not a big deal, but it's 10 degree fire arc and -1 range for 20 turns. Like, I think Holy Gunpowder is good, but I can see Bodyguard being kind of annoying with oh, there are 2 queens, and giving queens the ability to move and attack across obstacles could be a big problem, but I'm taking it anyway because I want all of the rat cards. Wait, what am I talking about? It's not a problem at all because of the poison. Alright. Ah, yes, the queen promoted to a queen. That did reset its poison timer, at least. And look at all these rats, though. Oh, I was hoping it would end the floor for me. Wand of Gust. All I need now is Black Plague. Okay, no more rat cards. That's a shame. I like Elite Gem. It's really good. I don't want to give pawns more speed, so we'll just take Conscription. And yeah, Sacred Crown's really good, but ammo regen is pretty good in this build, and Legion is also one of the most dangerous cards you can get in this mod. So Wand of Wrath? Oh yeah it is, but it can't be used on the king. Alright, any more rat cards? Okay, I guess we're taking Black Mist and Secret Air. Alright, well I got all of my... I stacked my extra turns, but that's okay. Although it seemed like that extra turn... It seemed like those extra turns actually were able to stack there. Unless I'm imagining things. Alright, well, all these pieces are never going to know what hit them. Well, I guess they are going to know. It's going to be a whole bunch of rats. Wow, the queen promoted to a queen again. Who would have thought? Oh, look, I can get another queen. Or I can get Nightmare. Oh, I like Nightmare. It's a fun card to have. It's pretty dangerous, but I'm playing at rank 1, so like I don't even care. Now, can rats attack a Nightmare? Yes, they can. Okay, I gotta move. Yay, extra turn. Okay, yeah, so the extra turns did stack. Cool. You might only be able to stack one extra turn at a time, though. Which is fine by me. Okay. So yeah, I did, I attempted to force the game to give me the Black Bishop fight, even if I don't have, Red Book. We'll see if I did that successfully. Yeah, I also need to make sure I don't take out every bishop. That might actually be kind of hard to do because of how many rats there are. Okay, they all attacked the... Wow, that bishop's at 1 health. Okay, so I do have to be a little careful. I have conscription, so I can add as much cannon fodder as I want. Okay. Yeah, we have 3 rats. I don't think the... Alright, never mind. It was not meant to be. Okay. So yeah, that's where we're gonna call it. That was certainly a run. I mean, this isn't my first time doing a run where I have a whole bunch of rats. It was fun anyway. The rats had different names, and that was pretty cool. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna look at the codex. Okay, so there's the Legion of Mouse. There's Bardoof the Chonky. Oh, there's a Jerry the Bombastic. Okay. A grenade that summons a rat. Madness. What is this? Grenades can't bounce. Okay. Yeah, seems pretty good. Oh, I got this frag grenade card once. What is this? Oh, it just makes the fragments way better, which is kind of what I expected. Alright, what is Chaos Protocol? Oh, I was like, oh, -1 firepower every turn. Oh, you just get destroyed in a big hurry. But no, it flips if it's been reloaded. Thank goodness. Wait, what is this? Oh, remove a queen. Okay, whatever. We can look at the cards later. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.